I'm Lauren Cash, Master Certified Coach here at the Life Coach School. All things business still fit inside of the model. It sounds like you're not really desiring to process your quote unquote negative emotions. You're like, I don't really care what the revenue is as long as I can feel good. If you're going to, as we teach at the Life Coach School, if you in your life are going to feel both the negative and the positive, it's going to be 50-50 either way. Why not accept that it's going to be 50-50? And you're going to get really good at processing what our minds think is negative, like the negative emotions, including fear. What if you were all in to feel that? And you knew that it was going to amplify also the good because you would be able to feel both sides. And in doing that and building that skill and being all in with the 50-50, then the byproduct will be that you can create any result you want, including 8K months and beyond. But the negative is going to come regardless because unless you're buffering 100% of the time, because you are going to have thoughts because you have a human mind. And some of those thoughts immediately, you're going to have a negative vibration in your body from that. Even if you sat in a room forever, as long as you have like a functioning human mind, it's going to be there. There's no avoiding it. You can use that. It can also even fuel your work. And you could even bring it along with you, but not let it drive the model that you're working in. So, for example, you could have fear present and allowing it. You've been in such resistance and you really just don't like the feeling of the resisting of the fear and other negative emotions. It's not that you're not actually going to be okay at allowing and processing these feelings. You will be. You just haven't been doing that. You've just been resisting them. So that's all. Like that, you haven't even been experiencing it yet. So it might not be as bad as you think. But anyway, you could be going along your day, have fear present. It's there, you acknowledge it, and you let it go color over there. It can color, can be in the room, it's fine, can go over there. But over here, you decide what you want to create today and what you're going to think and feel in order to drive that. Fear can still be present. We don't have to scrub fear out of our bodies and minds in order to drive this other model over here in this moment. We don't have to be perfectionistic about the thoughts and feelings. It's just the awareness of them and choosing which ones we're going to quote unquote go with. Why not let whatever's there in the unintentional be there? Don't be so afraid of looking at the unintentional. I can run an amazing business and feel any feeling that comes up, but I promise you, you can make a whole lot of money even while you're processing negative emotions.